started slow, like a tree grows out in the open. These things don't grow over nights long and get old in the morning. Nothing more can make it speed up. Nights are long and the day's getting short.